In this video, we'll be answering the question, why is rosé pink? If we haven't met before, my name is James Follent, and I believe Australian wine is beautiful and complex, so I create videos for wine lovers to learn more about the world of wine. Have you ever asked yourself, why is rosé pink? What makes it pink? How does it turn pink? The pink color comes from the process of how the wine is made. When the grapes are squeezed and crushed, they're left in for a day or two with the skins on the grapes. And the skins on the grapes, as part of that process called maceration, means the grape skins impart the pinkish hue that goes with rosé wines. And if you were to leave those skins on longer, that's what would make something a red wine because of the red color that comes from the grape skins. The color of rosé comes from how long the skins have been left on the grape juice as it goes through the process of fermentation to bring out those pinkish hues in a glass of rosé. And that's how rosé gets its color. If you've liked this, make sure you give it a thumbs up so it can be shared with other people. And if you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Remember, wine is best shared with friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video. There we go. I think I'm ready. Just need to grab the jacket.